Here we've got the Mazak VTC 41. Turn the breaker on. Turn the air on. Shut off my drain air hose. And on the computer screen, you can see that when I push on, it goes through the boot up process. Okay, now we put the knob in zero return mode, push the X, Y, and Z axes buttons all in the negative direction, and the head will move some, and then go and push them all in the positive direction, and then they'll go back to their home position. Once they get so far, they move on their own, and then each one will light up sequentially. Not sequentially. Each one will light up when they get to their home position. And then you'll see it's asking, or it's mentioning that the magazine is not zero return. So we press this to tool number 1 is marked with that aluminum washer.